Hey YouTube, let's learn this song by Sun June called Everything I Had. It's kind of like the bass, but I was just playing, this is like a little box shape, uh, D string, 2nd fret, 4th fret, and also D string, or A string, 2nd fret, 4th fret. And then you add into that the open A. And I just did a little bend it, give it a, but the guitar is playing up here. That's what the guitar is playing. Might be playing it. It might be playing it down here. You can play it at E string, 7, 7 and 9, A string, 7 and 9. Then you just go 7 and slide on the 5 at the end. And I watched a video of a live performance, and that seemed to be what he was playing there. Just a little riff, and then there was the song. The key of the song is E, and so these are all pentatonic licks, but they're major pentatonic licks. They're not minor pentatonic. And the whole song is just E. They're just not playing the chords. They're playing the riffs. All right. So you can just play those 3 chords. You can play atmospherically. Just they have different rhythms for different parts, but it's all the same 3 chords through the whole song. E, B, A. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope that helps you.